Well, today is the day. She's gonna get basically everything done, tune up everything, and hopefully I can get her on the road by this weekend. You have all the parts, all my cleaner stuff. You even got a hubcap that I found that actually fits. Got all the parts. If you remember from earlier in the channel, this is my grill catalytic converter, and this was the other evap show valve, thermostat, and sensor. So today is the day. If I'm positive, it's gonna take around give or take. I'm gonna just give him probably like half a day. So best thing is probably pick it up by 6 or so. But I'm dropping it off by 9, so hopefully it's done a little bit earlier, so it's light out stuff. I don't know if I ever showed you under the hood, but on the note of, this is the new battery we ended up getting, a Duralast. Honestly, it's a real big difference from, let me put it stick. This battery made a huge difference from another one. Haven't drained or died yet, so I know it's not a starter issue. But if you look, catalytic converter, this is the one getting changed out. You can see it's definitely in need of the change. I'm gonna assume this is the upstream sensor, and then down there, downstream. The two sensors I also had to buy when I bought the catalytic converter. Whew. So things is coming along. Hopefully get this car registered, if anything, by this weekend, next week, probably the latest. But also, I had a surprise. Still keeping that on lock. Just keep your mindset out. Because, you know, if everything goes as planned with this car, it might be another learning experience for all of us, especially me. Because I'll give you a hint. It's a manual. So stay tuned for that. Interior, you know, looking the same, but all of this is getting fixed up soon. The reason it took so long to start up is because it is quite chilly. And then with it being chilly, and I haven't started up since like about, give or take, today Friday, so about Saturday, Sunday, so a week now. Yeah. As you know. But yeah, new project coming along. All goes well, I'll probably get it. I don't know. Going out to see it this weekend also. So, this it's gonna be gone if I get that other one. Project car. Well, almost there. You can hear there's rust on the rotors from when it sits. But hopefully all of that get done today. So just as we got here, yeah, I'm gonna need gas. Look who's back. As you can see, she's done. Not gonna lie, this definitely does need detailing. Like all pretty and shiny, and then you got, yeah. But like I said earlier, things are getting done. Soon we'll get all of it done. But stay tuned for the project car and the new reveal coming up. Hopefully all goes well. You can tell it got that brand new part smell. As you can see, like I pointed out, new catalytic converter, new upstream, and then the downstream, you can see the wiring. New. But yeah. She runs much different. Well, not really much different, but she runs a little, you know, you can feel like with everything done to it, it runs better. The rotors are still rusty, and you can feel it because it drags. When you gas it and it let off the gas, you can feel like the rust dragging, and you can feel it. But besides that, she's running good. All goes well. The new project, hopefully everything goes well this weekend. It will get insured, hopefully this weekend. And then after that, registration, because registration did expire on this about October-ish. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.